Hello and welcome to the Soil Inventory Talk Show. My name is Grace Roiro, a farmer and an agronomist. I hope you're doing well and you're keeping safe. I'm here to give an update on the potatoes. I've been documenting the potato journey that we've been having because my main crop this season was the potatoes and the variety that I was doing was Shangi. So one of the sections that we've been doing, the way we've been dividing our farm into sections, and I explained this is because we never want to run out of product or never want to run out of business, that every other time we have a crop in the field. So one of the sections is almost due for harvesting, and you'll be seeing this in this video. I hope you learn a thing or two and enjoy. Karibuni sana. This is the first portion of potatoes that we ever did. As you can see, it's no longer flowering. We are at the tuber bulking stage. This is where the tuber formation that is down there, that is bulking, and those some of the crops or the plants are at maturation stage. And how you know that they are at maturation stage is some of the leaves starts yellowing. Maybe I can try and show. Some leaves are yellowing, and that means some of them are at maturation, meaning that we'll harvest them in a couple of days or weeks, but we'll not harvest them yet until like we are satisfied that the whole portion is ready and mature for harvesting. And as we check, I will also check on the second portion as I get down the field. The second portion is still at flowering stage, but some of the portions in the second portion seem to be at the tuber bulking stage as they are no longer flowering, as I'll be showing you shortly. We are here at the second portion. Most of it is flowering still, but others are at the tuber bulking stage. Enjoy as I move across the field. For the third portion that I'll be showing you shortly is purely flowering right now, and the fourth portion is yet to germinate. I'll show you shortly. And the reason I keep on repeating this, why we do this in portions and also separate with time of during planting, is because we want to stay in business, and we don't want to be in a season that we do not have a crop in the field. And today I also may take you around and also see the other crop, that how we do the crop rotation. And this time we used maize as a crop to rotate with. It's a different family from the potatoes. So before we get to the third portion, this is the other portions that we have done the crop rotation with the maize. So today I'll just take you around the field, if not all of it, but just see the practices that we're having. So the maize really helps to break disease cycles, the pest, and that's what basically here we use for the crop rotation. There is also a portion with some oat, but this is meant for the animals, but also really works well having that. And finally we hear the third portion. The third portion is basically flowering, as you can see. Yeah. There is a portion here that doesn't seem to be doing quite well. Reason being, when it did pour, when we had the rains, there was it really had a lot of waterlogging over there, because it's near where we have our water pans, and it really flooded. But with time we're trying to recover the crop and see if it will still do well. Yeah, and enjoy seeing this view. We have a small forest around here. The field feels like it really controls the environment, and it's cool. Which is, then we have our maize, which has also been used as a crop rotation crop for the season. This other side we have our kales that mostly are for the grocery store and also for the animals. That's it that I had for today. Till next time, remember to stay blessed and productive. Bye bye.